welcome back to my channel. I am Jane and it's me, Grincy Gandhi. If you want to see more content of me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, this is the first time I have wear yellow dress. Usually, I don't wear yellow dress or either I don't have yellow dress. But this time, I just get ready in the traditional clothes and with this blue smoky boom eyes. And I am damn sure you would like to watch this video. Then guys, let's get started. Today I am going to start with this Revitalife Micro Essence Serum, and this one is from L'Oreal Paris. 2 to 3 months ago this product was too hyped that everyone was trying this product. So today I am going to use it. So first shake it and then use it. This is, oh god. So take a 2 to 3 drops and just rub it in your hand. This way product is activated, and then just gently dab it onto your skin. The smell of this product is too yum, so amazing. Let's just wait for 2 to 3 minutes for drying this out, and then we will move on to the base makeup. So first of all, I am going to use concealer first and then go for the foundation. And for the concealer, I am going to use, this one is from Alec Girl, and the shade of this is always happens, I can't find the shade. Yes, medium beige. This product is very good at hiding your under eye circles, to cover your redness, everything. This is very perfect. To blend concealer of under eye, I am going to use, this one is very small version of beauty blender, and this one is from PAC. This lovely tiny beauty blender is so useful in blending small areas just like around your nose, your under eyes. This is so perfect. For the foundation, I am going to use, this one is from L'Oreal Paris, and this one is up to 24-hour foundation, and the shade of this is 105 Natural Beach. Yes, this is the first time when I can see what is my shade. Cheers. So I am taking 2 to 3 drops of this foundation at back of my hand. This isn't a drop. It's okay. This claim is that this one is providing you denim matte finish, airlight, and this one is absolutely oil free. Let's see. Let's just make dots all over. And guys, I just forgot to mention this beauty blender. This one is in a fabric one, and this one is from Popular Beauty, and there was an discount going on, so you can get this beauty blender at just only 200 rupees. And blending wise, this is so good, so good. I mean, just look at the finish. I'm just dabbing it into my skin, as you can see. Actually, this foundation dries very quickly, so you have to very fast at blending. Otherwise, it's hard and quite arduous to blend it out. And it's time to apply eyeshadow primer, and for that I'm going to use this one is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm in the shade of
A few moments later.
guys, I want to tell you something. I can't find the shade. Sorry. I can't switch this side. This one L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer is very incredible at coverage. I mean, it's drying so nicely. Great success. To set our base makeup, I am going to use this one is from Wet n Wild, and this one has contour palette. This is only contour, no. You can use it as powder too. Great. How to get this? Yeah. Ta-da! I open it. So, I'm going to use this shade to set my foundation, and you can use this shade as your contour shade. But usually I don't prefer to do contour. I don't like that sharp face. I just like this chubby cheeks. I must say that it just melted into my foundation very well, and it looks so beautiful. I haven't applied foundation here, but I just going to touch up with this powder. This time we are going to do our face makeup first, and then we move on to the eyeshadow. For the blush, I am going to use this one is Blusher Reloaded from the Revolution, and this one is in the shade of Peach Peach. And for the brush, I have taken this one is from Iconic. This is one of my favorite brush. I just love this. That fixes product. So my loves, our favorite part has come, and it's time for the eyeshadow makeup, and for that I'm going to use this one is called On Cloud Blue, and this one is from Colourpop. Colourpop is one of my favorite brand. I just love their products, the pigmentation of their products, it's so good. And let's just see the colors. Just look at this. Look at this beautiful shades, and this one is my favorite. It just kind of give you feeling of some fairy tale story that is like Cinderella, that Pariyon ki kahani. It's so amazing. So without blubbering anything, let's get started. First, we are going to set our eyeshadow base with this shade, and this is called Ice BB. Tap Texas. Oops. In the next, we are going to use this shade in the crease. Now I am going to take this shade and going to blend it out at my outer crease line. First we are going to just stamp it, not blending, and then we will blend it out. I am going to use this shade on all over my eyelid. This is called Airtime. Now we are going to take very flat brush and on it I am going to dip it in this one. This is called Deep Light. This. I am going to apply it directly into my inner corners. Now I am going to mix these two shades. I am going to apply it on my lower waterline. For the mascara, I am going to use this one is from Maybelline and this one is Colossal Mascara. So here our eyeshadow look is done and it comes out so beautifully. I mean it just seems like the eyeshadow of any mermaid or any jewelry. I know it sounds so dramatic and so filmy, but our eye look is too filmy that. For the lipstick, I am going to use this one is from Elf Cosmetic and this is called Sheer Sleep and I am in the shade of Grapefruit. At the last, I am going to apply this one is from Dear Darling Tint and just going to make very tiny upper layer. I am going to blend it with my finger. Perfect. For the highlighter, I am going to use this one is from Sugar Cosmetic and this one is in the shade of 01 Glow Genius. This is how it looks from the inside and this one also comes with a mirror. My dear friends, our final look is ready and it turns out so stunning and so beautiful. I will soon come up with the new content. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.